Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to do a screen monitor test in case your monitor is giving you trouble. Now this video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2019 and Dodge Grand Caravans equipped with the entertainment system. So that means if you have this large screen, if you have a plain radio and the bass trim, this will not apply to your vehicle. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, to test the monitor, first you have to access the hidden service menu. To start, turn off the radio and then you will press and keep holding three buttons: the menu button up here, the media button, and the radio button. So I'll try to do it with one hand. So keep them pressed for maybe 5 seconds and that will get you to hidden service mode menu, right? And now under number 2 you have monitor adjustment, and here you can do a bunch of tests and positionings and things like that. So monitor check, here this is the test to check for colors, right? So colors, lines, shapes, I don't know, bunch of stuff. Black, red, green, blue, all the base colors. Now there is a bunch of other tests here you can try doing. Now I was playing with it with this for a bit, and sometimes the screen while doing these tests will freeze. If that happens to you, what you will do, you will turn the key to the off position, you will open the driver's door and have it open for 30 seconds and that will reset the system, right? So I won't get too much into this because I just told you what happened to me, but if you're having problems with the touch screen or things like that, you can run some tests here and hopefully that will fix it, because you have touch switch correction and things like that. Like my radio works fine, so I don't want to touch it and mess up something, but this is where you can do it if you feel comfortable doing it. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.